Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to share location in iMessage. If you want to let friends or family know exactly where you are, all while keeping your privacy safe, you can easily share your location in iMessage. So let's get started. First of all, open up the Messages app on your iPhone, and then once you open it up, go ahead and select a conversation with the person or group you want to share your location with. Once you do that, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the little plus button. Now, a couple of options will pop up on the screen. Select through the option and look for location and tap on it. Now, allow messages to use your location by tapping on allow once or allow while using app. Now once you do that, you can tap on the share button to share your location. In the pop-up, select how long you want to share your location. You can choose for 1 hour, until end of the day, or indefinitely. Choose any one option and then you will be able to share your location with the person. All you need to do now is to tap on the arrow button at the bottom right, and that's how you can easily share your location with your friend or your family via iMessage. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.